In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover an old Instagram account. If you've been locked out for a while, don't worry. This walkthrough will guide you through the official recovery paths and share helpful tips to boost your chances. Start by trying a direct login. Open the Instagram app or head to the website and enter the username, email, or phone number tied to the old account. If you still remember the password, sign in normally. If the account was only deactivated, logging in will automatically reactivate it. Double check for typos, and if you used multiple emails in the past, try each one you might have used. If the password isn't working, use the forgot password or trouble logging in option on the login page. Enter the old username, email, or phone number and follow the prompts. Instagram will send a reset link or code by email or text. Open that message, click the link, and set a new strong password. If you don't see the email, check spam or junk folders and give it a few minutes in case of delays. Make sure you're using the most recent version of the app so the reset process runs smoothly. If you no longer have access to the email or phone linked to the account, try to recover those first through your email provider or mobile carrier. If that's not possible, use Instagram's Get Help logging in Flow. There, you may be asked to verify your identity, sometimes by uploading a government issued ID or completing a quick video selfie. You might also be asked a few questions about your account usage, like when you created it or the types of content you've posted. Follow the on screen steps carefully and be patient. Verification can take some time. If the account was deleted within the last 30 days, log in using your old credentials as soon as possible. Instagram allows recovery during this grace period. After 30 days, deleted accounts are usually permanently lost and can't be restored. A few extra tips can improve your odds. Try logging in from a device and location you've used before with this account. Keep an eye on your inbox and spam folder for messages from Instagram with recovery instructions. After you regain access, turn on two-factor authentication to protect your account going forward. If your account was hacked or you're facing a specific issue, Instagram offers enhanced verification options, including trusted contacts and support forms to help you regain control. Follow these steps, and you'll have the best chance of recovering your old Instagram account. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Instagram tips and tutorials.